I'm so sure some of you are shocked to hear this, but the first letter of the alphabet is A. So that is what we are going to start learning. So I take my pen, I dip it in the ink, I wipe off the extra, and I use my scratch paper to make sure that I don't have any excess ink. Now I have this handy dandy diagram here for you. You are going to start down at the bottom of your X line. Okay, start at the bottom of your X line. Capital A's will extend into the header, okay? So the X line ends around here and we extend into the header. So I start at the bottom. I actually do this little like dot thing and I curve down. Then I'm going to push up into the top of my header. Looks like I need a little more ink there. Okay. Let's try this again. Start in my bottom of my X line. Little dot, curve, and push up to the top of my header. Then I'm going to pull down to the bottom of the X line. So that was a pull down. And then I am going to curve upward to the top of the X line and then go back down and around. Okay? Again, I am going to start at the bottom of my X line. A little dot, curve around, and push up, pull back down, and then I'm going to curve up to the top of the X line and curve back out, but I didn't go into my header that time. That was my mistake. Let's try that again. Bottom of the X, make a dot, curve up, push all the way into the header this time, pull down, curve up to the top of the X, and around. That is an A. One more time. I'm going to do a little dot and curve down, push up into the header, pull back down, curve up to the top of the X, and curve back around. Again, a dot and curve down, up to the header, pull down to the bottom of the X, curve to the top of the X, and curve back out. All right, please do capital A's across the whole first line. Pause the video, hit start when you are ready, because we are going to do lowercase. A lowercase a takes up only the X line. I'm going to grab some more ink just to be sure. Test on my scratch. And I'm in business. A lowercase a, I'm going to start at the bottom of my X line. Push up in an entrance stroke. Then I'm actually going to lift my pen. And I'm going to make myself an oval stroke. So I start at the top of the X, pull down so I kind of cover part of that entrance stroke, push back up, but instead of connecting to the oval, I'm going to push a little bit higher, and then just pull back down and curve out. Again, I'm going to push up in an entrance stroke, make an oval, curve down, push back up, but keep pushing to end in a straight line. Pull back down and curve out. Push up in an entrance stroke. Oh, I did a little splatter there. It happens. We all make mistakes. Do an oval. Push up into a straight line. Pull and curve down. One more time. Up in an entrance stroke. Pay attention to your slant. Make yourself an oval overlapping that entrance stroke. Curve down, push up into a straight line, pull down, curve around, push up in an entrance stroke, yourself an oval, push straight up, and then pull down, curve around. Please make lowercase a's all the way across your first line. And you have made a capital and a lowercase a. Good job. That's it for the A's.